Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple steps on how to send photos as documents in a WhatsApp group. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Open your group. This is where you can connect and chat with multiple people who share common interests. Step 3. Click on the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip or a plus sign. This will open up the sharing options. Step 4. Among the options, select Documents. This will allow you to send the photo as a document within the group. Step 5. Now, browse through your device's gallery or file manager to find the image you wish to share. Once you've located it, tap on it to select it. Step 6. Finally, click on the send arrow icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Your photo will now be sent as a document in the WhatsApp group. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a photo as a document in a WhatsApp group. It's a convenient way to share images and engage with your group members. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.